Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about Azure Cosmos DB. Let's understand what is Azure Cosmos DB. Azure Cosmos DB is a globally distributed, multi-model database service for any scale. The service was built from the ground up with global distribution and horizontal scale at its core. With turnkey global distribution across any number of Azure regions, Azure Cosmos DB transparently scales and replicates your data wherever your users are. Elastically scale your writes and reads all around the globe and pay only for what you need. Azure Cosmos DB provides native support for NoSQL and OS APIs, including MongoDB, Cassandra, Gremlin, etcd, Spark, and SQL. It also offers multiple well-defined consistency models, guaranteed single-digit millisecond read and write latencies at the 99th percentile and guaranteed 99.999% high availability with multi-homing anywhere in the world, all backed by industry-leading, comprehensive SLAs. Azure Cosmos DB is a fully managed service that enables you to offload the administrative burdens of operating and scaling distributed databases to Azure, so you don't have to worry about managing VMs, hardware provisioning, setup, and configuration, capacity, replication, software patching or cluster scaling. With Azure Cosmos DB, you can configure your databases to be globally distributed and available in any of the Azure regions. To minimize latency, place the data close to where your users are. Azure Cosmos DB transparently replicates the data to all the regions associated with your Azure Cosmos DB account. It provides a single system image of your globally distributed Azure Cosmos DB database and containers that your application can read and write to locally. With turnkey global distribution, you can add or remove the regions associated with your account at any time. Your application does not need to be paused or redeployed to add or remove a region. High availability is maintained through multi-homing capabilities provided natively by the service. Azure Cosmos DB transparently replicates your data across all the Azure regions associated with your Azure Cosmos DB account. The service applies multiple layers of redundancy to your data. As a globally distributed database, Azure Cosmos DB provides comprehensive SLAs that encompass throughput, latency at the 99th percentile, consistency, and high availability. Hope you enjoyed our audiobook about Azure Cosmos DB. For more audiobooks, please check our site www.cloudaudiobooks.in or download Cloud Expert app from Google Play Store. Hey, don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.